All of our products are manufactured following the European standard EN 61439. Furthermore, once manufactured and wired, the enclosure is delivered, including the following documents. A document with all the checks carried out on the panel once it has been assembled, the verifications required by these regulations, and product features. A nameplate with the features of the switchboard in terms of voltage, current, and power. Let's move on to the protections. All the circuit breakers and RCB that we assemble here at Solera are certified with the INOX mark. We also provide other circuit protections such as a permanent overvoltage. This protects against overvoltage caused by loss of neutral and transient overvoltage. This protects against overvoltages that may be caused by atmospheric phenomena. The use of the minimum voltage coil is also compulsory in this type of board. This is a safety measure in case there is a loss of voltage. The switchboard will be disconnected. If this happens, it needs to be reconnected manually. Consider that if the voltage goes and then suddenly returns, there may be an operator carrying out maintenance work, thinking that the power supply has been switched off. However, if the power suddenly comes back and the machines are still being handled, the minimum voltage coil will prevent any accident. This will provide time to advise or warn the individuals. We also have several types of industrial sockets. We have IP44, IP67, and we have interlocking sockets that prevent the occurrence of possible electric arcs when plugging or unplugging the plug into the socket. In this way, the switch ensures that there is no voltage when switching on and off. There are also countless accessories available for on-site panels, such as wall fixings, brackets with wheels, emergency mushroom connected to the main switch of the panel, light indicators, and electrical switches. This switchboard can also be padlocked. However, keep in mind that these switchboards cannot be operated by just any individual. Therefore, padlocking the switchboard will prevent giving access to anyone who is not obligated to operate the switchboard. This safety measure will prevent any accident.